Hello everyone. Here is another video of Cali and Diego's litter, born on August 31st. They're coming up to 7 weeks. Actually, they are going to be just coming up to 7 weeks, and they're going to be going to the vet on Thursday and Friday, and then they're going to start to leave. And as you can see, I've still got some of my brown litter here, litter with Penny and Rocky. Some of them are still here, so they're all together. It's easier for me. And they are a week apart, so you'll see, of course, it's a big deal at this age. They're quieter, Cali and Diego's litter puppies. But, you know, that's because they're a week younger. But kicking up a storm. I just had them confined when I was changing. Whoa, there's a good scrap going. Hey? All right. Anyway, they were confined, so now they've been released. So they're kind of hyper. It's a good time to take a video. So, yeah. Rocky and Penny's litter are just about gone, and Cali and Diego's litter are starting to leave on the weekend. This is going to be my last video. And I'm going to be posting still photos of only Cali and Diego's litter now, because I stopped when it's the week of the vet visit. So like I said, it looks very busy. It's all of Cali and Diego's litter, and then just a few left from Penny and Rocky. Okay. Little monsters now, aren't you? Just spent the last hour and a half cleaning. So, yeah, and it always amazes me how they change in the 8 weeks. They all have their personalities. They're all sweet and healthy. Whoa. And you can see the Penny and Rocky's litter are far more active. Don't be fooled though. More noticeable when they're all together, I think. Hard to see their collars now. I'm sure all of you know your puppies by now anyway. I have to have the bricks down because if I didn't, even with the Velcro at this age, they like to dig. They don't want to be in here anymore, so they try to dig to China, don't you? They drink a lot of water. Oh, what did I do with the water? Hey, did I not put it down? Oh, better put it down. Well, here you guys, I forgot. Sorry about that. Let's see, they'll drink like they are in the desert. Okay, well, busy times ahead for all of you. Ready to go to your family homes? And back and forth in the middle. Remember when they couldn't get over it all? They would just sit there. No trouble at all now. They actually are really clever. They, when I wake up in the morning, all their mess, all their poop is on one side, and they play and sleep on the other. This is why I love this system. They already know to get away from where they poop. It's instant. See? Oh. It's starting to wind down now. Some of them. More the black. Like you say, you can see Cali and Diego's litter are quieter. They're a week younger. Busy. Everybody see your puppy. Hi there. Hello. Cute. A good scrap going on there. And like I said, they all have their moments. Won't you? Hello. Cute. polishing that side. It gives you an idea, a life of a puppy at 7-8 weeks. And they mix well. Okay, well, that's a wrap. Busy times ahead for me with the vet visit. Oh, you guys. And then, it's going to be busy next weekend. And I don't hear them all evening. Sorry, I should say overnight. They sleep well, but they have each other, so that makes a difference. Okay. Bye-bye.